On today's episode of Under 2 Minutes, we are continuing with lines. Now, lines are just paths with a stroke, but you can actually do a lot with that stroke without actually manipulating the path. Let me show you how. If I click this line, the property tab is going to open up and you'll have the stroke options here. Now we can increase or decrease, of course, but if you click the underlined stroke, it'll bring out a flyout menu with a lot of options. So you have the cap, which is the end of the line, and you can make them rounded. As you can see here, now you have rounded. You can protrude those lines so they end up coming out farther. Now, we can make this a dashed line as well. There's so much you can do with this flyout menu that you can change the dash, the gap, the distance. You can even add arrowheads to your path. I can add fun things as well. So you have the ends of arrows, random shapes, even scissors here. Also, you can adjust the profile so I can make it a different width. I can make it from thin to thick. As you can see here, it just changed the thickness of it. So you can just adjust this on the fly in this menu. So if we see here, this is still that same path I had been working on. That's it. We have scissors, we have an arrowhead, we have a thinner line, but it's still just that path. That's it. I can make the path smaller and it's going to move everything inward, but we haven't done anything. We haven't made this a shape. We are just working with that menu to change a path in that stroke. That is it. Very simple, very quick, and it's something that we didn't originally have.